Good morning children, welcome back to social class. So we already completed our block 7 occupation lesson. So in that we have learned different kind of occupations. And what is the meaning of occupation? Occupation is nothing but doing a job for living, to earn money. So today we are going to learn about another occupation where people do to earn money. Okay, so let me show you some pictures. You have to tell me what are those things. Okay, so here, are you able to see everyone here? Okay, what are these things here I am showing? Yes, and here, have you? Yes, have you ever seen them anywhere? Did you all? Yes. These all are nothing but pottery items. Pottery items. What are the pottery items? You don't know about the pottery items? Okay. For example, if the hot summer season comes, means the people who don't have a fridges at their homes, from where they will drink their water? Yes, from the pots only, right? Why we are having pots in our homes? To keep the water cool in the summer season. And so many people having some throat infections and throat problems, they can't have water from the fridge, right? So they can have water from the pots, right? That is our lesson. Today's our lesson is knowing about art of pottery. What is our name of the lesson? Pottery. What is the name of the lesson? Today's lesson is pottery. Today we are going to know about what is a pottery, the people who makes the pots, what we call them, and in what kind of different ways we can use the pots. Today we are going to learn in our lesson. So let's begin our lesson. So what is a pottery? What is a pottery? What is the meaning of pottery? Can anyone tell? Yes, I am sure if you all are in the class, you will tell answer. But we are doing video, so I can't hear your voice, right? So I only tell the meaning. Pottery is nothing but art of making pot items. Pottery is nothing but making things with the clay. Making different things with the clay. Pottery is nothing but an art of making different things with the clay. What is a pottery? What is the meaning of pottery, Nana? Pottery is nothing but making different things with the clay. That is known as pottery. And what we call them, the people who makes these different things with clay? Do you know? Yes. The people who makes different things with the clay, we call them as potters. What we call them as? Potters. What we call them as? Potters. Who are the potters, Nana? The people who makes different type of things with the clay, we call them as potters. And why do you think so? Why people make different kind of things with the clay? Why they have to make the pots with the clay? What is the reason? Or why the people have to do pottery? Can anyone tell the answers? Do you know? Yes, pottery is nothing but another occupation, right? And people do this occupation to earn money for life, to earn living for their lives, right? So pottery is another occupation. People, the potters, the people, who are those potters? The people who do different kind of things by clay, by using clay, right? The people who makes the different things by using a clay, we call them as potters. And why they do that job? They do this job because they have to earn money. How they will earn money with the pots? When they do different kind of things with the pot, when they do different kind of things with the clay, they can sell in the market. So we can buy from them. So they can have the money, right? So they can have the money. So can anyone tell what are the other uses of potters? What are the other uses of pots apart from storing the water? Do you all have pots at your homes? Yes. Do you all have different kind of pottery items in your homes? Have you ever observed your house properly? Does your mother have anything in your kitchen? Does your mother have anything outside of your house? Yes. Do you all have? Yes, we have, definitely have. That we can, maybe we have seen different kind of things in our kitchen and in front of our house also. Can you tell some other reasons to have pottery in our house? Or else can you name some reasons why we have to keep pottery items in our homes? Apart from storing water in the pots, yes, we can grow plants and we can store the beans, and we can even, some people store the salt also, store salt, and we can keep the pottery items for the decoration. Have you saw that swing in front of some houses? We have that bells, that pottery bells in a different shapes. They will have like a hangings. Do you know? They will have like a hangings in front of the houses by making of the different kind of a clay, pottery clay items, and we can grow the plants, and we can even cook the food also. Do you know, in the Nellore district they will cook the fish curry, especially in pottery dishes only. They won't cook the fish curry in the steels. The Nellore district people always cook their fish curry in the pottery items, because, and even in coastal areas, in eastern, coastal, western place also, the people cook fish curry in the pottery dishes only, because they feel that the fish curry, the taste will enhance if you cook the fish curry in the pottery items only. Do you know that? Yes, so many people uses that pottery dishes to cook the different items also, and they will even serve the food. In the Delhi, if you go to the Delhi, they won't use any plastic cups to drink their tea and coffee. In the open, we have open tea shops on the roads. Like the same way in Delhi also, we can see the open tea shops. If you go to the tea shops, they will serve you tea. They will serve you tea in the pottery glass only, where you can drink and you can break it up. So they don't use plastic. And after that, if you go to the sweet shop in Rajasthan, they will give sweets like rabdi. Do you know the rabdi? Yes, which is made by the milk and rice. So that rabdi and the kheer in the shops, they will serve in the pottery dishes only, because it will enhance the taste of the food items. So different people uses because of the different reasons. Different people may use the different that pottery things for the different reasons, right, Nana? So let's see on the board. For example, in our textbook also we have why people are using different kind of a pottery. So here we have that we can store beans in this. Okay. See here, in our textbook also we have pot used to serve food, pots used to store water, pot used to store beans, and pots used to keep money, pots used to grow plants, pots used for decoration. And have you seen that little kids use their pottery, their money to keep their money in like a piggy banks? Do you have at your homes? Yes, when I was a child, I used to have one like a custard apple color, green color. After that, I broke it when I needed money. So those days when people are comparing to nowadays, in olden days people have used much pottery items. Nowadays we are using plastic items, right? Do you think using of plastic items are good thing? No. So better instead of plastic, if we go back to the pottery items. And nowadays we should not drink cold water from the fridge, but if when summer comes, what the thing we have to use? We have to use the pot, right? If you drink water from pot, it is very good for your health also, right? Then you won't get any throat infections, and some kids have tonsils problems also. So you can't drink water from the fridge, right, Nana? So it is very beneficial if you drink water from the pots also. So, and can you tell me any other reasons apart from cooking, decoration, storing beans, serving food, and storing water? Can you name any other things which we can use pottery items? Yes, for decoration. And for Diwali, what we do? The earthen lamps we will use to decorate our house, to lighten our house for the Deepavali in Diwali, right? We will decorate our house with the diyas, right? So those diyas are made of which thing? Clay only. So that is also comes under the pottery only. So do you all understood what is the pottery? Pottery is nothing but doing different kind of, it is an art. It is an art like doing different kinds of by using clay. What are the people, what we call them, who does the pottery? Potters, right? The people who does the pottery, what we call them? We call them as potters. But it may be different to person how the person will use these pottery items, right? Some may store the water, maybe some uses for the decoration only, some uses for to store the beans. And apart from that, peoples also, it depends on the shape of the pots also, how we can use that. For example, if it is tall and long, we can store the water in it, and it is like a pot shape also, we can store water in it. And for example, if it is like a wider, we can put some food in that, we can cook some food in that, right? So it depends on the shape also. So how we use the pottery items, it depends on the shape also, and how we can use also, it depends on us also, right? So we have to decide which pots and which shape we need, which shape we have to use for what. That depends on us only, right? For example, if it is like a wider shape like this, so we will use this for to grow plants only, right? If it is like this pot shape, we will use to store water in it, right? So it depends on the shape of the things, the clay things, and it depends on the choice of us also, right? So do you all understood the lesson? What is a pottery? Today's our lesson is pottery. Pottery is nothing but making a pottery items with the clay, right? This is an art to make things with the clay. And who is a potter? Potter is a person who makes things with the clay. Why he does that? Because he has to earn money. How he can earn money? By selling all the pottery items in the market, he can have the money. People like us, we will buy the things from the potters, right? So by giving the money, we can also get the pottery items like a different decoration things like elephants, cats, and like ducks. We have seen a lot of things near to our ground is there now, that walking ground, Nehru Stadium or something, that there you can see a lot of pottery items if you want, okay? Especially in the season of Diwali, right? We can see a different kind of pottery items, okay? So everyone open your volume, page number 44, Nana. Page number 44. So everyone please open your volume. So we are in the lesson of block 8 pottery. So don't forget to write the date. Uses of pots. So here you have two kind of different pottery items, okay? So A and another one in B. So here the question comes, right? One way in which these pots in the picture can be used. So what I have told, how you use the potters, it's depend on the shape of the things, and at the same time it depends on the choice of us, how we can use the pots, right? So if it is a long but it has a holes, so can we store water in it? We can't. So what else we can store it? We can store beans, or we can grow plants in it, right? So water can sometimes come out. So here another like a utensils, like a vessel it is there, right? So how you can use this? Yes, we can cook some food in this, or we can use for the decoration. So you can pour water in it, and nowadays I have seen in some people's house they are keeping some flowers and diyas in this kind of vessels. Okay, so it's your choice. Give your own answer. Okay, Nana. Now go to the second question. Write two other ways in which pots can be used. Here we have a lot of things on the board, and even in your textbooks, how you can use the parts. So you can give your answer, okay, by reading the textbook or even seeing on the blackboard. Now go to the third question. How can you use pots in your house? So if you have any pottery items in your house, so here the question is, how can you use pots in your house? If you have a choice to use pot items or pottery items, if you have a choice, so how do you want to use that? For a decoration, or to store food items, like, or to store milk, or to store curd, like, it's your choice, Nana, completely how you want to use. Okay, just give your own answers. Okay, I hope you all understood the lesson. Very well. Thank you.